and welcome to a brand new year, 2020 baby. Woo. And we're on the bike. Today is the 17th of March, the earliest I've ever been out on a bike. So I've just picked it up from my dealer, and yeah, it's great. So great, in fact, that I'm really enjoying this. So we're out here, we're on the bike. God, another red light. It feels so good though. So welcome to Oslo. Corona or COVID-19 has settled in for most. I haven't left the house for, well, probably almost a week now, but that doesn't stop me from going out riding, because that is apparently safe. Being amongst people, stuff like that. So this year it's gonna be great, fantastic, and it's 14 degrees outside. Oh my lord, that is Norwegian summer, and I'm wearing wool on the inside. So either way, it's gonna be a great year, I reckon. There's gonna be videos, of course, track days, maybe some other cool stuff. I don't know, mods. I do have something in the works already, some mods or equipment that I'm gonna make some videos about. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it is fine. Hopefully I'm doing great. But man, this channel, I haven't been active on either Instagram or YouTube as of late, the last like 4 months. And wow, it's just been really freaking, it's been like, I don't know, the support that I've been gaining, even though I haven't been putting out videos, has been amazing. Ett fel cigarette, thank you. Can I go? No. So yeah, as I said, I haven't been that active on YouTube or Instagram lately, and it's probably gonna take me a little bit of time to get used to the whole social media stuff again. I just needed a break, man. At the end of last season, I was used up. I was done. I didn't have anything more to contribute with, so I just needed a break. So in that kind of fashion, what? So I guess the break was, well, kind of good for me either way. But I'm back. I'm ready. I'm gonna make videos and post photos, and you know what? The most important thing is just to have fun. If you don't have fun, why are you even doing it? And I've got new tires on the bike, so I've got to be a little bit careful, but yes, I have to be careful. Oh, it is weird times that we're living in right now, with the COVID-19 just, you know, destroying everything and anything. It's so odd, but we'll just have to live through it, take quarantine and everything like that serious, and we should be good. Props to all the bus drivers and stuff like that, still like deal with people, and even though they take safety measures, but props to everyone still working and fighting the COVID and making the society go around. I think that there's so much bad news out there that these people, they don't get enough credit. They really don't. Thank you so much to Rookie MC that actually drove me to get my bike to go pick it up. He's also got a YouTube channel, a Norwegian one, so I would recommend you go check that out. Links in the description. Yeah! Yeah, we'll just take it calm. I promised my mom to ride safe, so that is definitely what I'm gonna do. So, at least for the first ride. No, I mean every ride. Mom, if you're watching, I'm gonna ride safe no matter what. Alright? So yeah, as I was mentioning, this is just like a quick video for me to just let you guys know that I'm on my bike again. Woo! You know, testing gear and stuff like that. Camera gear and motorcycle gear, and everything seems to be working fine. I'm wearing my summer gloves. It's actually 14 degrees Celsius right now, which is marvelous. I could not be happier. This is great. I love this. This is so amazing. Bike season is about to start, and we are, wow, okay, and we are about to start it quick this year. Very nice. I like. Ooh, I'm so happy. So, I don't have anything more to contribute as of right now to this video. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully the audio and everything is A-OK? I don't know. Yeah. And then I will catch you guys in the next video. Bike season! Woo!
All will turn.